So we're going to do one of these unboxing videos that everyone seems to do on Amazon for some reason. So I finally broke down. It took me 11 generations of a GoPro. Well, I don't really know what number they started at. So that's a good question. So now wait, this is the Telson. I guess that's how you pronounce it. This is the Telson batteries and some kind of a little card reader thing, I guess. Let's see what we got here. So we kind of did that backwards. Press to open. Okay. I don't know why they're yellow. I don't know why they're look like that, but supposedly these work in the GoPro 11. We'll see. I doubt it, because you know how that goes. So let's put that over there. Oops, there's not a fuzzy on the rug. So next we're going to open up this bigger box, which supposedly has the GoPro in it. And some other stuff that kind of ordered here at the end of the year. Oh yeah, what's that? Let's see what that is. That must be the GoPro. So there you go. This is a hard drive, because you can never have enough hard drives. When you're a photographer, you create a lot of data. Now, I went to 8 terabytes this time because I usually get bigger ones, but if they fail, then you're in trouble. So we got a couple of those because we backed them up to each other. I seem to prefer Seagate. Alright, so let's open up this GoPro. See what this thing looks like. It's kind of a weird little paper bag. Is this real? Oh, by the way, don't buy these things from Amazon, because you'll get a better deal if you actually buy it from GoPro. I discovered after I ordered this thing, you could have saved at least $50. You got more GoPro stuff if you went to GoPro directly. Look at that, it's like a little envelope. Who knew? Usually I'm like an animal when I rip packages apart, so this time I'm trying to be a little bit more careful. So let's see, is this the correct camera? Who knows? What does it say here? It doesn't really say anything. You're supposed to know which one this is. Oh, GoPro 11, there you go, look at that. So how do you not destroy this package? Here, opening this thing up. What is going on here? Is there some special way you're supposed to rip this apart? Or do you just go all animal on it and rip it apart? What's this here? This is like painful. Oh, look at that. You're going to rip this little thing here with the little arrows. Check that out. So I'm going to do that. So here it goes. It's no longer new. You know, everybody trying to get fancy with their packaging after Apple made their little iPhone such an event to open up. So let's put that down there. Let's unzip this thing. I get the feeling those Telson batteries aren't going to be the same as this battery that came with the GoPro itself. So your camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay, if you want. Another one of these little USB-C cords you'll lose. Doesn't look like this thing came with very much. That's it. So if you bought it from GoPro, you would have gotten all kinds of free stuff. Oh, look at that little mini battery. See, that's as small as the other one. Oh, and it's not even the good battery. Look at that. It's not even their, like, blue ones, which are supposed to be the heavy-duty batteries. So, yeah, don't buy these from Amazon. Buy them from someone else. Alright, so there you go. That's that. We'll have to figure out how to use this thing later on. But the other thing that I probably got ripped off on was this accessory kit. Check this out. This too is an Amazon special. 30 bucks, which I probably didn't need to spend. Let's see what's in here. This is a 50-in-1 attachment kit for the GoPro. So it's going to be 47 things you don't need, and maybe 1 or 2 things you might actually use. So just keep that in mind. Let's see what this is. So I broke down with this GoPro because I'm tired of using the iPhone for things. Because it's impossible to get the images off there, and you can't email them because they're too big. You can't text them to people. So we're just going to go old school and download these files to a hard drive and then go from there. So what is all this stuff? No idea what that is. What is this? What are you supposed to do with that? No idea. A bunch of little screw things, like a little clamp that'll break. I don't know what that is. Don't eat these. Well, that's a little headlamp, just what I need. Little suction cup thing. Maybe I'll use this as a dash cam going forward. What do you think of that? All this stuff is going to immediately break once you start using it, I'm sure. So there you go. This was 30 bucks for all this stuff. That goes with that. Alright, well I'm going to sign off and charge up these batteries and do whatever else you're supposed to do when you get a GoPro. So, hope this was helpful, and stay tuned. Maybe the videos will get better on my site. Alright, thanks for watching.